Hi guys, this is the second part of my video and I will be showing you how to install the head unit for Ford Ecosport. These are the tools that you will need before we start. So from the left you will see the trim tool. On the middle you will see the star bit screwdriver and a towel. On the right hand side is the bundling straps. If you don't have bundling straps, you can also use cable ties. So these are the things that you will need. Okay, this is step number one. You will need this trim tool and put the towel along this portion of the top panel. There are three snap points that we will have to remove. One over here, one here, and one over here. And we will be repeating this step on the other side. So total there are six snap points that we have to remove. So using this trim tool, just insert it in between the panel like this. Okay, then just lift it up. Okay, like that. Okay, then repeat this step on the other side. Once you see this panel lift up, then just remove it. There are two more snap points over here on this portion, one here and one here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. These are the snap points. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, once you remove the screws, you just have to pull this thing up slowly like this. Okay, then just lift it up. You will see one cable here behind. You just have to press this and pull it out. Okay, to remove this cable, you have to press this. Then you have to push this thing down like this. Okay, then pull this thing out. Okay, next step is to remove these screws. Okay, using the same star bit screwdriver. Okay, okay, the next step after you remove the two screws on top is to pull this center panel out, and to do that you have to squeeze in the duct behind this vent, something like this. And you do the same on the other side. Push the vent in. Okay, then pull it out. Do not pull it out completely because there's a cable behind. I'll show you the cable. Okay, this is the cable that I was talking about earlier. And to remove this cable, actually you just have to press this thing in like that, then pull it out. Okay, once you pull out the cable, then you can remove this panel. Okay, as simple as. Okay, so the next step after we remove this center panel over here is to remove this loader. And to do that, you have to use again this star bit screwdriver and remove these two screws over here, 1 and 2. Okay, once you remove the screws on top, then just pull it out slowly. You'll be able to see a few cables behind, so you just have to disconnect those cables first before we move on to the next step. Okay, the next step is to create an opening on this pillar so that we can insert the GPS antenna from this point all the way in, then to this rubber gasket over here, down, up to this portion over here. Okay, and to do that you have to use this trim tool again. Insert it in like this, then create an opening like that, then insert your GPS. Okay, the next step is to remove this glove box, and to do that you have to use this kind of trim tool. Okay, this fork type. There are two hinges supporting this glove box, one over here and one over here. So to remove the pin, you just have to insert this like this. Okay, then just put it out like that. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. Okay, after the GPS, the next one will be this USB cable over here. You just have to pull this cable all the way to the glove box area, and to do that you just have to insert it here like this. Okay, then just put it on the other side. Okay, okay, the next one that I will be showing is the installation of the reverse cam. So there's a simple method that I will show you. Right now I'm using this plate light reverse camera, but the one that we will be using will be mounted on this portion over here. Okay, that will be protruding out. So once you drill the hole on this portion, okay, we will be pulling the cables from behind. Then after that, the cables will be running from this portion. Then you can pull it out from this penetration that you can see here. Okay, you can see this little rubber over here. Just pull it out. Actually, you can buy those wire, what do you call that? Like a bushing, like a gourmet. Okay, you can see the hole over here. So once you drill the hole on that, the bumper, then you can pull the cables from here. Then after you pull the cables, you can run below this, then onto the sidings, then all the way to the door jamb, then to the glove box compartment. Okay, then after that we will be connecting that to our head unit. Okay, with reference to our reverse cam installation, I'm actually lying down. I just want to show you what I did on my reverse camera, where I tapped the power source. You can see the cables here. Okay, the red and the yellow. Then this is where I drilled the holes on the bumper. I'll be pulling out the cables from here, the one I showed you on the early video. And after that I will run the cables here, then I will tap on the reverse light. That's where our power source will be coming from. Then the penetration that I showed you earlier is actually just located here. Okay, so you have to pull the cables from there. Okay, the next step is to connect all the cables onto the ports that you need on this loader. So for me, these are the only cables that I need. So this one's for the reverse camera, this one's the power cable, And this one's the control cable that's connected to the CAN bus. This is the CAN bus. Okay. Then this one's for the screen. Then later on I will connect the GPS here, the USB here. Then I will connect the radio here. That's all I need. I won't be needing the RCA cable because I don't have any headrest monitors or I don't have any audio set up as of the moment. So okay, on the next part of this video I will be showing you the connected loader